Welcome back. Well, a chilly one out there this morning, but it warmed up nicely this afternoon. Just a subtle reminder that the clocks are going to go back at 2 a.m. Saturday night or Sunday morning. I usually set my clocks back Saturday afternoon, so I don't have to worry about it at the exact time. 7:23 sunrise tomorrow morning, 6:20 by Sunday. That goes to 6:20 in the morning and sunset at 5:18. So a big change on the way there. Weather-wise, though, only getting milder. 32 degrees this morning. That was only 2 degrees shy of a record, and believe it or not, it was the first freeze for 2023. We didn't have any freezing temperatures in January, February, but here we go, November. And the last time we had freezing temperatures, right around Christmas time, December 26th of 2022. So chilly out there, but we are going to warm up. So let's take a look at the big pattern here as we put the water vapor imagery in motion. A little bit of a zonal flow on the bottom end of an upper trough that's dominating much of the U.S. that ties all the way up to Hudson Bay. And this is where the cold air is, the coldest air pushing off the East Coast now, and we're just seeing what's generally called zonal, west to east, although it's dipping down out of the Rockies. But overall, dry pattern, mild pattern as well. A little bit of a ridge of high pressure right here. That's going to be building eastward, so that means milder temperatures overall and dry conditions to continue across the region. Only trouble spots in the Pac Northwest, the northern Rockies, where there's some rain, snow at elevation, and some snow showers up across portions of the northern Great Lakes and upstate New York into southeast Canada. Meanwhile, we're still being dominated by an upper level and surface ridge of high pressure. At surface high pressure, though, off to the east, so we're seeing mostly easterly winds. Some clouds from the Gulf of Mexico, but that's where they should stay for the most part. We might see some clouds from time to time, but overall, we're expecting easterly winds and a gradual moderating trend in our temperatures. As for the drought situation, you can look all around us. It's not nearly as bad as Louisiana. Much of Louisiana, 68.5% of the state is in the highest level 5 out of 5 category of exceptional drought. Super dry, and this is not going to get fixed overnight. We're going to need several weeks, several months of regular rains for this to change, and that may not occur until December, January, or February. We'll be waiting on the El Nino pattern, which typically is cloudy and cooler and wetter for us into the winter times. In the near term, though, it's going to be a chilly night tonight, but not as cold as last night. Our computer model guidance wants to hold us up in the mid-40s. We'll go about 43, maybe 42 for a low with clear skies. Then tomorrow, upper 70s, nice and mild, still relatively low dew points, so it should be a comfortable day. Few showers offshore, but that's where they're going to stay. And then tomorrow night, we'll call it cool or chilly again. We'll range from the mid to upper 40s to lower 50s. And then going into Saturday, we got to call it warm for this time of year as we push into the low to mid 80s. And there's more warmth where that came from. As we head through the overnight hours tonight, we're talking mid to upper 30s, still the chance of some patchy frost. You can get frost anytime where temperatures are below 40, but our ground temperatures are still warm. But around Alexandria, Rapides parishes on northward might see a little frost tonight, but elsewhere your plants are in good shape. Temperatures lower 40s, I-10 quarter, 43 in Lafayette, and generally low to mid 40s across the coastal parishes. Cameron, of course, by the water, always mildest at night at 50, and then a little bit cooler during the day by the water as well. Mid 70s, your high across the northern parishes of Acadiana. Will go 76 Lake Charles to Crowley and Lafayette, toasty at about 78, and we'll go 76 to 78 for the coastal parishes as well. So overnight tonight, we're talking temperatures dropping down to about 43 for a low, crystal clear skies out there, light winds, and Jupiter out there, if that's the brightest star in the sky. And then you look just to the left of Jupiter and you have the Orion constellation. You can always tell with the little Orion Nebula right around the belt of Orion. It's a faint blue. If you're out in the country, you can almost see it with your naked eye. 77 the high tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, seasonable temperatures for the most part, and light winds. So it's going to be a very nice Friday, TGIF. Saturday, Sunday look good. Highs in the lower 80s and lower 80s to mid 80s through mid next week. Our next frontal boundary coming in along about next Thursday or Friday. This is the Euro model. Maybe a chance of rain, but not much rain. But I like the way the pattern looks after that. It looks unsettled. It looks cloudy, and we could be setting up for maybe some soaking rains as we go beyond next Sunday into the following Monday. We'll wait and see. But in the near term, it's a dry forecast, and it'll be warming up as well during the day and also at night. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.